Hey foodies, welcome to CookingShooking. Today we are going to make Dahi Kebabs. These are very soft, almost like a Galouti Kebab without meat. Very easy to make it too. Once you try it, you will never forget it. So let's begin. Let's begin the recipe. The first step is to take 1 kg of yogurt or dahi. Here I am using fresh dahi. Make sure it is thick. Now what we are going to do is strain it to make hung yogurt. Here I have taken a big bowl and a strainer. On top of this I will place a muslin cloth. This is also known as markin kapda. Now I will add the yogurt in this. Today I am using 1 kg yogurt. With this you will be able to make 6 to 7 dahi kebabs. Now we will gather the sides of this and start squeezing it a little bit. Please be very careful with this. You can strain all the water right now itself, being very careful, or keep it in the refrigerator for about 6 hours so that all the water naturally comes out. After 6 hours of keeping in the refrigerator, here you can see the quantity is very less. Now what I'm going to do is gently squeeze it again. Please be very careful. As you can see, there is some more water that is coming out. This is basically whey. Our hung yogurt is ready for dahi kebabs. Here you can see we have got a lot of whey out of this. Please do not throw this away. It is very healthy. You can replace this with water. What I mean is you can use this water to make roti, curry, sabzi, gravies and a lot more dishes. Now let's keep that aside and work on the dahi kebab. Here I have a mixing bowl. In this I will add the dahi that we strained right now. Over that we will add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder, 2 green chili which is finely chopped, a little bit of normal salt, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves, a little bit of jeera powder. Here I am using roasted jeera powder, a little bit of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of sattu. Instead of sattu you can also use roasted besan. I will also add 1 tablespoon of oats flour. What I have done is I have made a powder of oats and I am using that. You can also use only besan or only sattu and totally skip the oats. I will also add 1 tablespoon of sugar powder to balance out the sourness. Now we are going to grate 1 onion over top of this. If you don't eat onions, you can totally skip it. I have also seen some dhabas and some restaurants adding cabbage to it. If you want to add cabbage, you can do that. I have grated 1 onion. Now we will add a little bit of black pepper powder and then begin grating some cheese. Adding cheese makes it even more softer and delicious. Here I am grating 1 cheese cube. All the ingredients are in. Now we will give it a good mix. After mixing it for a minute, I feel I have to add a little more of sattu and oats flour. So here I am adding 1 more tablespoon each of those. So in total we have used 2 tablespoons of sattu and 2 tablespoons of oats flour. Now give it a good mix and then your dahi kebab mixture will be ready. Our dahi kebab mixture is ready. Now let's begin making the kebabs. We will coat the kebabs with some breadcrumbs today. You can also use some maida, corn flour or even some cornflakes. So take a little bit of the dahi kebab mixture, shape it a little bit, after that coat it with some breadcrumbs. As easy as that. It will be slightly difficult to make the first one, but after that it will be very easy to make the kebabs. So first one is going to be slightly difficult, after that it's as easy as eating it. Similarly I will make rest of the dahi kebabs. As you can see, I'm just taking a little bit of the mixture, rolling it between my fingers, my palms. After that I'm rolling them in some breadcrumbs. My dahi kebabs are ready and as you can see I've got 7 of them. Now we will cook them. To cook them today I'm going to deep fry. You can also cook them in an oven at 250 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes. Since these kebabs are very delicate, I would not suggest you to cook them in a tawa or a pan. They will break while turning them. I have made them thrice in a tawa and twice they broke. That is the reason I am suggesting you to deep fry. We will deep fry them in medium-high heat until they are golden. But first, remember to fry one and see how it cooks well. Here you can see my one dahi kebab cooked really well. Now I am going to add the rest of them. Look at the color, the dahi kebabs are looking perfect. Now we are going to take them out. These are best served hot. Today I am serving the dahi kebabs with some onion in chutney. This video does no justice to the taste. Let me break one piece and show it to you how good it is. Crispy from out and super soft and creamy inside. I should say this is the Galouti Kebab for vegetarians. Our restaurant style dahi kebabs are ready, and didn't they look very delicious? Well, now they are all gone, so you should also try it and share with me how it goes for you. I hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon beside it so that your phone rings every time I upload a new video. Bye for now, take care, happy cooking.